Grateful to be alive. Taking the time to taking the time to got some lights on the truck. Got some lights around the whole truck. They needed to be fixed. I got a fire extinguisher now. And I got an appointment potentially gonna be set up for tinted windows on that beast. Tinted windows. Most likely I'll get the side windows, and I'll ask how much more it's gonna be for the front window. And if it's $100 more, I'll pay out of pocket with that. Even though the owner said it's okay for me to use the card, I'm not going to. You know what I'm saying? I'm okay with paying. Cause I don't know if they want that front window tinted, but I'll pay for it. I'll pay for the front window. Just beast. But it gets hot in that truck, so just having tinted windows would help a little bit. And that makes me excited. I'm thankful. I've been wanting that for a while. Probably not gonna be in that truck for long either, but it is what it is. Outside of that, I'm just taking a little walk around the yard. Thankful I got a good workout in today. I feel good. Today's the 14th of July, 2022. I'm gonna continue working hard every day. I'm thankful for a dude named Carlos. Motherfucker is the hardest working man I've ever witnessed in my life. And for that, I'll forever be grateful, because it ain't about talking. This motherfucker showed it. He showed it. He was the example by showing it. I ain't ever had this work ethic in me. I never cared to want to work as hard as I do. Now I realize it is the answer. It's the motherfucking sauce. It is the solution. It is everything. So I also see other men in my life, not direct. They're not in my life directly, but just from example, people I work with, grown-ass men that are getting it, you know what I'm saying? Shit don't fucking stop. Fuck do I think I'm just gonna be a special breed and just not have to do anything? No. I wasn't born in that category. And I'm not gonna die in that category. You know what I'm saying? It looks to me like I'll be working all my life. And I'm okay with it. 100% okay with working. As long as I'm active, doing what I love, I'm okay with it. I've accepted it, I've accepted it. If I was rich right now, if I had, not even rich, if I had $7K coming in passively through an asset, probably be smoking a lot of weed just to keep it a stack. So I'll continue disciplining myself with the time that I do have, and making the best of everything that I do have, which is my time. Freedom. Freedom to me is the ability to be able to work and do what you love. All this shit is locked. Big boy straps. These bitches, I think this is a different setup. Yeah, those are for a different setup. This one's different. That doesn't look like it's supposed to be like that. So much shit in this fucking truck. I have no clue what the use of it is. I've seen a few of these. I guess these are easily replaceable. Mark my words, I'm gonna be tanking that bitch one of these days. I'm gonna be fucking hauling some heavy shit. Fucking firefighter, fire trucks or some shit. Freightliners, motherfucking other Pete's with a damn trailer. I do it all. I got my tanker's license too, but that's not necessary. But I'll haul a goddamn tanker if I need to. Break down the side of the road, hazmat tanker, let's go. Hook and book. Hook and book, baby. Hook and book.